Welcome back. I'm sure you didn't have any problem with the last task, and I bet you're not really struggling to find it hard to guess what we're going to cover in this video. Well, we've done addition, we've done subtraction, so the next logical thing is multiplication. You're probably 5 steps ahead of me by now. So let's have a look. Let's try 5. And we want to multiply this, so we're going to use the star symbol or the multiplication symbol, which is above the 8 on your keyboard, so press Shift and 8, and let's do a fairly easy one. 5 multiplied by 5, press our carriage return, and we get 25, as you already knew. So let's just try a larger number just for the fun of it. Let's see if Python can cope with something. Oh, how big shall we go? Let's have a go at that, and it managed it, no problem. So your task is to have a go in Python at multiplying a few numbers together and see what you come up with.